up, mate?
What up, elk?
Shoot, kid.
It's pretty.
Shoot, mate. What the hell you thinking, mate? Oh, shit, Bo. What the hell? Oh, hell.
There's a fucking buffalo in the creek.
Oh, shit, Bo. What the hell, man? What's the claim?
What is he doing?
What's the claim, dude? What is the claim?
Why is he always
What? Dude.
This buffalo is trying to hitchhike. Is he gonna move?
Man. Riley, dude. Good morning, everybody. About to give you guys the morning scoop. So yesterday we got to this spot in Missouri. There's a campsite right over there, but it was closed. Should have thought about that. You know, the whole corona thing, whatever. So there's a parking lot for a trailhead, just, I don't know, 100 feet from it. We came here and we got stuck in the mud. We got pulled out from some really nice people who live right down the street. Andy, huge shout out to Andy and Cameron. And yeah, they pulled us out of the mud and then brought us some firewood because they're freaking awesome. And yeah, we had a fire last night. I played some guitar with Andy. It was super sick. Really glad to have met you guys. You guys are awesome people. We had a good time with them. Thank you guys so much. It's people like you who are making a difference in the world. So yeah, I just loaded up some firewood and we're so thankful to not be stuck in the mud. Man, so thankful for people like that. So now we're driving 5 hours to, where are we going? We're driving 5 hours to a place called the Land Between the Lakes. Is that still in Missouri? But yeah, guys, we're gonna be home Tuesday night. Today is what, Sunday? Yeah, I don't know. Wednesday. Tuesday or Wednesday we'll be home. So yeah, we're getting really close. We're like 15 hours from home, I think. And we're killing it. So yeah, doing 5 hours today. Maybe we'll have a fire again later tonight. Who knows? Who knows what this adventure will hold today. Hit up the Mickey D's, bummed some Wi-Fi, got the new vlog up, and now we're headed to Kroger. Gonna try to get some groceries, see what they got, and yeah, we are getting closer to home every single day, and we are stoked to get there, but we are still having fun on this journey back in spite of this pandemic going on. So yeah, let's keep on crushing it, guys. All right, just made a stop for some coffee and we looked at the map and we're only 11 hours from home. So we'll be seeing you soon home. And we're only an hour away from our spot, so.
Hopefully we get there.
And we can make a fire and have
right at lunch or dinner time.
Oh. Oh yeah, I can go to Flamin' Amy's.
Burrito!
Yeah, Flamin' Amy's! We pulled up to our spot and it is looking so frickin' sick. We were actually supposed to keep driving like 3 more miles down this dirt road, but we saw this spot and it looked so awesome. So we're about to cop this spot. There's some people over here being kind of loud, but whatever. Looks like we can have a fire right next to the van. Spagooter. There's a really cool water section over here that we're about to go check out. It looks so sick. Stoked on this spot right now. Oh no. How is it like blue? That's wild. Isn't it blue? What? This is sick.
It's so clear. It's so crazy. In here, you know? But obviously I wouldn't.
This here song was wrote by a good old boy in Missouri who possessed him some of the finest fat wood I've ever laid my eyes upon. You're the man, dude. Good morning, everybody. We are starting off the day at the Elk and Bison Prairie, and we're gonna check out some dang elk and bison.
Oh.
Let's see what happens, dude. Holy crap, this is groundbreaking stuff. Elk and bison, dude. Give us a rundown.
There's some pterodactyls down there. Just kidding. I think they're turkeys.
They're huge! Oh shit.
Yes!
Dude.
Oh my god, it's standing up, dude.
Dude, he's scratching his head on the tree. Look at it. He's scratching his head on it. What's up, bud?
There's another one back there.
Dude, what is up, bud?
That one's crossing the road.
Look at this guy, though. What?
That one's rolling.
Hello, buffalo.
An itchy buffalo?
So itchy. He's getting his scratch on.
He's so itchy.
Hey, bud. What's going on, man? Oh, he's taking a pee. Taking him a nice old pee. He's a good old boy. Oh, yeah. Dude, what's his deal? Oh, shoot. What up?
Oh, this one's cute.
Dog! What is up, bud?
Oh, he's also peeing.
He's
Oh,
peeing.
his horn is broken.
Oh,
See it?
shit, yeah.
You think he got in a fight?
Riley, stop.
Don't bark at Buffalo.
Dude, the squad. Oh, that one just like nudged it, dude. Yeah, that thing's freaking gnarly. Oh my god, he looks like he's just trying to make it, son.
Look at him, he's like sleeping.
He's like, oh, dude, that was like ramming him. You got beef, dog?
I like walking across the road, they get all weird.
Oh, no way. Riley ain't never seen no bison.
You see him right there?
He said, what the hell?
Oh, there's more buffalo. But
What
they're
the
right
hell was that
in there.
thing?
You see him?
Oh, yeah.
Eh,
Dude, they're all scratchy and itchy. They're all itching.
he just broke that branch. Doesn't that look like a freaking llama?
Dude,
Hey,
what's
elk.
up? What's up, Mike?
Elk. Elky Elkerson.
What up, mate?
Oh, yeah.
What up, mate?
What up, elk?
Shoot,
Oh,
kid.
that's pretty.
Shoot, mate. What the hell you thinking, mate? Oh, shit, Bo. What the hell?
There's a bison and a squirrel.
Oh, hell.
There's another one over there. There's more over there.
Oh, shit, mate.
There's a f***ing buffalo in the creek.
Oh, shit, Bo. What the hell, man?
It's like tripping out, dude. What's wrong with
Man, shit, you tripping on me, kid? What's the claim?
doing?
What's the claim, dude? What is the claim?
Why is he always
What? Dude. What the?
Look at him, he's pissed. He wants you to fudge off.
I guess so.
This buffalo is trying to hitchhike.
Alright, man, be good, you hear?
Look at that.
Later, skateboarder. Oh, shit, Bo. He's like, boy. I'm a bison.
What the?
Boy. What up, cud?
Is he gonna move? You reckon? Give him two friends.
Man. Riley. That was cool. Riley, stop!
What does it mean? There we go.
Looks good, but you spelled pink different.
Alright, what is up, guys? So we have kind of made it to our destination here in Asheville, North Carolina. We are so stoked to be back in North Carolina. Thinking about where we were on that crazy ass dirt road in Mexico. It would take us a long time to get back there. So yeah, we've covered a lot of ground. The spot we were going to is actually closed off. Super awesome spot. There's actually a train coming right now across the river. But yeah, we're kind of like on the side of the road. We drove many hours today and we are so stoked to be stopped and ready to eat some dinner. And tomorrow we will actually be home. So this is some wild stuff, but man, thinking about where we were months ago, this has been the most insane adventure I could have ever asked for, and I'm just feeling so many emotions. It's unreal right now, but so stoked. And check out this train. But yeah, I cannot wait to get home and do some awesome recap videos on this adventure. I have way more to say about it, but yeah, right now I'm almost out of storage on my SD card and I'm starving and we've been driving all day, but so stoked that you guys have been with us on this journey. And man, it has been absolutely freaking nuts. Riley's pulling me around everywhere right now. He has just been in the car all day, so whew. Guys, love you so much. I love this vlog. These videos are not gonna stop for a while. So, man, so stoked. Gonna wrap up this vlog right here. Try to get this edited out as soon as possible, and we'll be home tomorrow. So I can't wait to see everyone once quarantine is over. And man, just stoked, so stoked. Woo! Hope you guys are taking the steps in your life to do what you want and be where you want to be. And man, I'll see you guys in the morning for coffee and going home. Woo!